was a laparoscopic appendicectomy, myotectomy, and there was incision and drainage of the breast abscess. And there was discussion about a thyroid case. That's all we had in the OT today. Yeah, and then we have classes after this. That's all for today. I just finished preparing for tomorrow's case as well. Now I'm going to lie down. I sleep quite early. I sleep by 10:30. I'm going to read like 5 to 6 pages of a book. I recently cultivated this habit of reading something before I go to bed, and I'm reading this novel, Deception Point. I think most of you would have read it in like your PU or even your school days. Okay, I didn't read it then, so I'm reading it now. That's all for today, and if you like my video, please subscribe to the channel, share it with your friends who like content like this. I'll try to come up with some more videos if it's possible and if I have time finally, or you see. And yeah, that's all. Until next time, bye bye.